Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the Riot account credentials you plan to change. This prevents lockouts. Sign in to the console profile that runs Valorant or the platform link tool. Once done, open the account or link management area in settings and locate the Riot/Valorant entry. Make sure two-factor authentication is set or temporarily disabled while you switch, because you will receive verification prompts. This reduces interruptions and prepares you to unlink safely without losing progression. You now perform the core change. Unlink the current Riot account from the console. Begin by selecting Unlink and follow the verification steps. Riot will send a code to your registered email or phone, so enter it promptly. After confirmation, choose Link or Add Account and sign into the new Riot account credentials. Make sure you review displayed account names and progression warnings. This avoids accidentally overriding the wrong profile. Once linked, allow the system a minute to sync your rank and profiles. You finish by launching Valorant and checking that your new Riot account appears with expected progression and cosmetics. If you don't see changes, sign out and back in, then open account settings to confirm the linked ID. Make sure two-factor authentication and email access work, because verification issues are the most common blockers. Troubleshooting tip: if linking fails, capture screenshots, retry after clearing cache, and contact Riot support with those details so they can investigate account bans.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.